Hello everybody, it's once again time to clean the floor, and I have a special treat today. For today's cleaning I've got some more vintage Pine Sol. This is not a repeat. I have a bottle very similar to this. This is a glass one, like my other one. It appears to be new old stock or just one or two uses out of it. Here's a look at the label. And we'll zoom in right here. 35.2% pine oil. This is the real deal. And pause if you want to look at something a little closer. Well, there's that one. Notice no barcode. So I'm going to guess this is mid-70s maybe? Not exactly sure when Pine Sol started using barcodes. Mid to late 70s maybe. Here's my other one. It's got the barcode, so it's a later production. And this one's 30% pine oil even. This is the one I've had for several years. Well, let's quit talking about it and get to mopping. Same procedure with this one as all my other products. 1 capful per gallon. And I'm going to do something maybe a little different this time. I'm going to attempt to capture what the cloudiness does when I put that in the bucket. Alright, let's try it like this. 1 capful per gallon, as I've previously stated. And look at that. That's Pine Sol right there. Nice and cloudy. I have to admit I redid this one because I forgot to hit record on the camera. That's why there's some spots of water on the floor, if anybody's wondering. Okay, let's get started. This is the smell of childhood right here. Being a kid of the late 70s and 80s. This is what was used to clean this house back then. And we'll go around the perimeter like always. Maybe get up on that baseboard a little bit. And go around the clock. Just the back and forth motion. And I'll go over it a second time just to be sure it's thoroughly clean. That smells awesome. The house will probably have this aroma for a couple of days. So there's that. And let's take a look at the water. Floor's not real dirty today, but it did It definitely picked up some dirt. It's not pure white like it was earlier. So that's an excellent old product there. It really holds up and stands the test of time. So once again, this was cleaning the floor with 35.2% Pine Sol. Thank you for watching.